Dear friends, today we will do a technical analysis of price fluctuation in Tata Motors shares. Shares of Tata Motors have been declining for the past few days, but today the decline has stopped and the price has improved. The questions arises in our mind as to how long this rise will continue. For this, we will see the long-term chart. This is the daily chart of Tata Motors. It closed at 279.60 on February 1st. The next day on February 2, the stock opened higher at 293 with gap up of rupees 13. Even after 120 days of trading period and 177 days of calendar days, this gap is still acting as strong technical support. After making 357 high on 3rd March, the stock was in correction mode and it got the support at rupees 280. This is the level from which is opened with the gap up. Now, combining these 2 points as shown in the chart, we have formed a neckline shown in blue color. This will serve as a very important support for the stock. This 200-day moving average having value of 263 as on 29 July is also very important support for the long term. The stock has lost rupees 46 or 30% or July 6 in a single days. In the last 15 trading days alone, price have fallen from 362 to 284 or about 21%. After a sharp decline, the stock will have to go through many hurdles to improve. Now we will study different charts in this matter and test the possibilities of passing through obstacles. Both of these support lines were considered to support the stocks before this sharp decline. When the big drop occurred on July 6, the first time this pink support line was supported exactly for 2 days. It also took support for exactly 7 days on the green support line. After line, was broken. Coming days, this it looks like these two broken support line will act as resistance for a while. This is the broken support line. This is the pink broken support line and this is the green support line. We are using this software because the calculation or accuracy on this software is perfect. You will see exactly at this level the price got support after a big fall. Coming days, it looks like these two broken support lines will exit resistance line for a while. The wave count shown in the chart and the wave they are shown in the red color. This is the A, B, C, D and E. Seems to have completed the correction and a stop loss of 279 is required for these possibilities. This is the long term support and it opened with a huge gap. So technically gap is always giving strong support. First quarter result on 26 July. This is the 26 July. Here in our India, the price has fallen to 293 and low is 291. And this is the before the result announced. Tata Motors first quarter result on July 26 came after the market closed in India. Although the New York Stock Exchange did not see a drop in Tata Motors ADR last night. This is the Tata Motor ADR chart and on 26 July there is no negative effect of the poor result of Tata Motors on ADR prices which are trading on New York Stock Exchange. I mentioned this on Twitter before the market opened the next morning. There is no negative effect of result in Tata Motor ADR stock New York. So this is the different ADR of our Indian companies which are trading on New York Stock Exchanges, impact of negative result. And this is the daily chart of Tata Motors ADR. This is the intraday chart of Tata Motors ADR. So as shown in the chart, it is necessary to cross resistance to remain in uptrend. So these are the resistance which requires to cross for this set to go in upward direction. So first, when this gap down is required to cross, when this stock will cross, so this is the first resistance line, the value of which is 310, and this is the Tata Motor hourly chart, and these are the major resistance level for long term is required to cross this scrape. Okay, thank you.